Hello, dear friends. Today I am taking you to the place called Mandaragiri Hill or Basdi Beta. This is located at around 62 kilometers northwest of Bangalore city and 15 kilometers southeast of Tumkur city in Karnataka state of India. It is a very serene place with minimal crowd and no noise. There is a giant statue of Mahavira look-alike. It was actually built in honor of Chandranatha Tirthankara. He was one of the ascetics who came upon Mandaragiri and propagated the Digambara sect in South Karnataka. Dhyana Mandir is one of the most beautifully designed meditation hall. It is 81 feet tall and shaped like a pinchi. The pinchi is a broom used by the Jain ascetics and is made up of fallen peacock feathers. Mandaragiri Hill or Basdi Beta is a giant monolith rock stands tall in the village of Panditanahalli or village of priest. The Jain temple or Basdi is located atop the hill and that's how the name Basdi Beta. The added benefit of going here is that you can even enjoy in the hiking to the top of the hillock adjacent to it and take in the magnificent views from there. The climb to the top of Basdi Beta is easy. There are 435 steps leading from the entrance of the base of the hill. You can take small rests and breaks as you climb. It takes about 30 minutes to reach the top. The Jain temple at the top houses smaller temples or basdis in honor of three saints, Bhagwan Chandranatha, Bhagwan Parshvanath and Bhagwan Suparshvanath. In fact, it is believed that two of the smaller basdis inside date back to the early 12th century and other two are from the 14th century. You can walk to the back of the hill and find yourself near a beautiful lake with some really cool rock pools. You can enjoy the beautiful views for your photography. At all, it is so amazing. The scenery around the Teal temple in the village below, the fleeting clouds, the views are really good. And with the cool wind, it will really make the day amazing and memorable. So friends, keep traveling. Enjoy your life